guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time coming on here, this is Doris Diribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, you are most welcome. Thank you for coming back again. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and click on the notification bell so you get notified at any time I post up new videos. Today I'll be showing you how I achieve a simple glam. All right, the process begins. Yeah, I started off by wiping my face with a face wipe, and I did my brows off camera. Next up, I primed my eyes using a white concealer from the palette, and then I went in with this pink shade from my Morphe palette. I patted it on my my primed eyes. Yeah, I kept on patting it. I don't sweep, I just pat it on the primed eyes so as to get a very pigmented shade. Next, I used a light pink from eyeshadow from the palette to blend it out. I also went in with a shimmery white color of eyeshadows rather from my Morphe palette to pop it on, and I popped it on my inner corner so as to make my eyes pop. Next up is to apply my foundation, and I'm using the classic HD foundation. All right, next is to conceal my face, and I'm going in with the same a concealer that is 2 to 3 shades lighter than my skin tone from the same Usher's concealer palette. Okay, I went on rather to set my concealer with my powder shade before going in with setting powder. I'll be setting my eyes, or my under eye rather, with my setting powder from the Ezekiel palette. I actually did not want to bake because I don't feel like baking. I decided to just go in with the setting powder. Okay, next up, I'm bronzing my face with a brown powder from the Ezekiel palette. I'm contouring my face rather. I actually did my lips with eyeshadow and concealer. Just watch me do it. Please don't mind all this drama there. I was just talking to my friend. Alright, the lips is set. I went on to apply my mascara. My guys, please don't laugh at my hair. Okay, I'm actually brushing it using my edge control. I've forgotten the name of the edge control. And now I'm trying to tie my hair to put them together. Yeah, this is a clip-on I just got from the random shop, and voila, it's done. Okay, I went on to apply my glitter, and the girl is ready to go. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.